Yo, what's good, y'all boys? It is Monday right now. As always, I'm gonna go do like trade analysis and stuff like that, and I'll come back when I have a trade execution. Hopefully, this week will end off in break even, which is 5:15. I'm just hoping we end this week on break even or even better actually. But yeah, I'll see you boys in I don't know how long, but let me go take some trades or stuff like that. Yeah. Boys, I am back. I just officially took another trade. Well, my first trade actually of the day. It's on USDJPY. My SL is just above here. Let me do this. It's about 2022. Let me actually move it just a bit right up here. Yeah, this is my stop loss. Actually, let me make it 25 to accommodate for the spread also. It's going to be at 25 right there. And my take profit is right here. Yeah, I can actually move my take profit all the way down here, depending on how the trade actually comes down here. But we'll see on how it comes down here. I'll update you guys in a bit. So yeah. Actually, let me go explain the trade for you guys. Okay, boys, as you can see, we're in MT4. Let me explain the trade. I see we're coming from a heavy downtrend, right? The trade breaks out of this area which was support. It breaks out. It's now back here, coming to retest it. I zoom in to the 5 minute. I see that actually 1 minute. I see we're in some sort of an uptrend. I see that it bounces off of here and here too, and it just kind of gives me something like a head and shoulder. You can see the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breaks out of this. It didn't retest, but it's okay. It might retest. Hopefully it doesn't, and actually just keeps going down all the way here. But yeah, this is the trade, guys. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, basically that's all I do, honestly. Let's see how the trade pans out. I'll come back and check in with you guys in like an hour or so. Peace. Yo, trade update, boys. Yeah, got stopped out. 25 down for the day. Man, well, I guess that's Monday for you boys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take another trade today, because this was honestly one of the only opportunities I saw today, but I'll keep you guys updated. You can see the trade broke and came all the way down here, but decided to give me this ginormous ass bullish candlestick. But it is what it is. Let me see if I can find another trade. Yeah, boys, not even like 10 minutes later, but I think I found another trade, this time on GBP USD. This is where I'm aiming. This is my stop loss right there. Let me go explain the trade for you guys in MT4. Yeah. Okay, boys, this is how we are. Usually we are in a downtrend, right? But I see right here on this downtrend, we have a support right here. The support, it was not respected. It broken below, retested, failed to go lower than this point right here, came back up, broke above it, but came back down again. And this time I think it's already clear that we do not have enough momentum to go further down. I zoom into the 1 minute, right? I see this downtrend. Excuse me if you can see this right here, right? This rectangle right here in the 1 minute. So we have this area right here that I'm interested in. You can see the trend line here. It broke out of the trend line, retested this trend line, broke above this low, right? Retested that low, and right now we're about to buy all the way till here. Hopefully, yeah, I'll update you guys in like 15 minutes after this. Yeah. Okay, boys, this is a trade update. Okay, this is where we are at the moment. Yeah. Let's just keep it pushing. I can actually just do this right there. Just put it right here. I'm just playing, but yeah, this is how the trade is looking for now. Yeah. Let me actually adjust it here to 58. Yeah, let's see how the trade goes, boys. Boys, we just closed the trade officially now. You can see in the 1 minute. It was not triggered by the take profit. I actually manually did it myself because yeah, it just touched here and I was actually monitoring the trade, but yeah, I closed the trade myself. So yeah, right now we're sitting on 26 for the day. Yeah, this is the account balance. Yeah, this is it for today, boys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Yo, what's good, yo, boys? It's Tuesday right now. I'm a bit late, Getting hit in the morning isn't always the best thing, especially when you have as good game as I'm just playing. I ain't got no bitches. But yeah, I'm gonna go analyze for you, boys. I'll be back after I in a trade or yeah, something like that. Yeah, peace. Boys, I am back with a trade here on EuroJPY. I honestly wasn't convinced that I was gonna find a trade today, but it is what it is. This is a trade right here. Yeah, this is the trade I'm taking right here. We're aiming for a 1:2 as always. I'm gonna put my SL just right here. Oof. I actually might have over leveraged on this trade actually. If I put my stop loss right here, I'm gonna be taken out by the spread because the trade might not even come all the way down here. It might just like come here, and because of the spread, I might be taken out. Yeah, I might have over leveraged on this trade, but yeah. But I'm gonna put my stop loss just below 30, bro. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked on this trade, boys. I could actually maybe have faith in this trade that it's not gonna take me out, but yeah, no. But yeah, this is the trade, boys. I'll update you guys later. Boys, I'm back. This is a trade update, bro. I shit you not. The trade still hasn't hit take profit. It was like a trade that was like giving a 1:4 because initially I was risking like 15, but let me go show you boys the trade in MT4 in MT5. Actually, this is the trade. While I'm here, let me explain the trade for you guys. So we're in an uptrend, right? Let me start off on the 1 hour. We're in an uptrend. You guys can see that, right? So I go to the 5 minute. I look for an area where I can like an area of retest. Initially it was the area of retest was right here, right at this area, but I took out my Fibonacci and I just kind of saw this. Let me show you guys in the 1 hour how it looks. Let me take this. Okay, I took out my Fibonacci, right? I did this. I saw it was retracing somewhere here at like the 23.6 338.2 level, so that's where I was interested in buying. So I see that there was like this little area right here, right? Let me go to the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute, this is how it looks. I see it went above. Now it retested, right? It consolidated a bit, left shoulder hit, right shoulder, came back above, retested. I took my trades off of this. Usually you guys know by now I would aim for this right here, but yeah, it was not going to give me a 50, so yeah. But let me go to the MT5 and show you boys that I took the trade. Okay, boys, this is how we are. We are currently sitting on 37.87. This is a trade. Yeah, I've moved my stop loss into profit. Yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Boys, I just woke up today. I'm officially gonna be checking the trade with you boys. This is also gonna be my first impression. 491. I think we should take profit. Yes, sir. Let's go. Take profit, Ted, boys. As you can see, yeah, very good trade. 45. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, I'll. Well, obviously, I'm gonna be doing a trade update. Not a trade update, but trade executions or trade analysis sometime later today. Peace. Yo, what's good, boys? It's now a few hours later. So I just noticed something that the trade that we closed yesterday, it didn't, well, technically that hit take profit today or yesterday. It wasn't like exactly 50, it was 45. It owes me 5. I want my 5. I want my 5. But yeah, as always, I'm gonna go and analyze for you boys, and I'll come back when I have a trade execution. Peace. Boys, I have officially put the trade on here. This is how it's looking at the moment. My take profit is right over here. Gonna enter another one. Yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Yeah, stops are just below this area right here, just right there, and we're targeting this high right here. This one right here. Yeah, this high right here. Yeah, so that's the trade, boys. I'll update you guys. Yeah, my stop loss is just somewhere here, just below this right here. That's where our stops are. Peace. Boys, I am back, and yeah, I had a weird feeling about this trade. We just got taken out. It just isn't clean, I guess, but that's no excuse. I'm not sure if I want to re-enter on the trade, but I'll update you boys on that decision. Just ruined my winning streak, my 2-day winning streak, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. Okay, boys, I have just re-entered the trade on GBP USD. Yeah, I'm aiming for that 50 again. Usually, boys know it's gonna be, I usually target here or here, but I want that 50. But yeah, these are the trades for the day. I'll see you boys, yeah, in an hour or so, or just when I feel like the trade didn't go well and I recheck. But yeah, that's all. Peace. Okay, boys, trade update. Oh shit. We have been knocked out, boys. 2 losing trades today. Yeah, not a good day for me. Yeah. Whew. We're sitting at 434 right now. We lost 57 today. Yeah, very bad day, but it is what it is. This is the end for today's video. I'll come back tomorrow. Damn. Yo, what's good, y'all boys? It's Thursday right now, and as always, I'm gonna go take some analysis. I'm gonna do some analysis, and I'll come back to you boys when I have a trade execution. Yeah. Okay, boys, I am back. This is how the trade is looking. It's a sell on Euro USD. There's our take profit and stop loss. Let me go explain the trade for you guys in MT4. Yeah. Okay, so we're in MT4 right now. Let me explain the trade. So overall, I can see we're in an uptrend, right? But it looks like we've shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend. Hence this, like, we've shifted. You can see that we've shifted, broke below retest. So yeah, I zoom into the 5-minute time frame. I see something like a trend right here, right? It just keeps, it bounces off of here, comes here, bounces above, it eventually touches here, right? And that's when I take out this trend line right here. So after I see it breaks out of the trend line, right, and it kind of retests, but at this moment here I wasn't analyzing the market yet. I was still not analyzing the market. I think I would have actually taken a sell off of this, but I would have gotten stopped out, as you can see. But I'll just count that as god's god's doing for me, but yeah, so it eventually retested here, came back down, but it went all the way back up here. So where I started analyzing was actually when it came below this. So I go to the 1 minute. So I see it breaks below, retests here, breaks below, retests here. And after that, I just kind of took myself off of that. So I think I took the trade off of here, right? My stop loss is just above here. And my take profit is all the way down here. Here's my take profit. Let me just, yeah, I think this is my take profit right here. So yeah, this is the trade for today, boys. Let's see how it goes, Peace. Boys, this is a trade update. Yeah, we got stopped out. You can see right over here. It literally boop, then bang. Stop loss. It made sure it came back down after it took stop loss, came back, then bang, came up again just to make sure that I'm out. Then yeah. This is where it is right now. I'm not sure about re-entering on this trade, but I'll see what it gives me. Yeah. Boys, I am back. I just took buys on Euro JPY. This is the trade. Yeah, I'm not sure if I over leveraged, because look at this spread. Yeah, look at this. Boys, I am back, and yeah, this is how we are. 2 trades, 2 losses today. Yeah, not what I was expecting this week. I wanted us to go to break even this week, but honestly, it doesn't look like we're gonna get there anytime soon. But yeah, this is it for the week. This is how we are. 59 today, 374 in total. Yeah. Hey, this is it for Thursday. I'll see you boys tomorrow. Boys, I forgot to tell you guys that I took a trade on GJ. Yeah, I don't know what type of news this is, but I'm betting on a continuation towards the downside. But this is how the trade is going. You can see we're in, it's basically downtrend, retest of this area all the way. My take profit is up to down here. My stop loss is just above this area right here. So I'll update you guys in an hour or so. But yeah, okay, boys, I am back, and unfortunately, I have bad news. We got stopped out. I don't know what happened, but it looks like we were going good. We almost got took out the first time, but it eventually went down. Then shit just happened. Then this candlestick just, oh my god, bro, like it just went all the way up here. Then yeah, this candlestick basically is the reason it just took us out. But yeah, it is what it is. We're sitting at 311. This is the only trade I'm gonna take today. Yeah. Entire weeks of progress has been wiped out by one trade. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll see you boys next week. Yeah.